Welcome on YouTube, and we're back with another banger. Okay, we're back with another video. Okay guys, so in today's videos we'll be doing who knows who best or who knows who better, right? And it's a follow-up from the last video. So if you haven't seen that one, guys, actually go back and watch it. So in that last video, Orion rated my outfits, my date night outfits, right? And we gave you guys the chance to actually decide if he loses this challenge, which outfit we want to see him in. Not even if, when he loses it, because me know the way better for him to listen. He doesn't listen. So when I get this.
The humble scarf up the most, man. We will see.
Okay then. Anyways guys, as I said, we're still on our journey to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Yes, we've been on this journey for a long time. So guys, please, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed,
please.
No for them not Orion them watch. I mean no now watch. What a no one little button.
Please subscribe.
Just click it, guys. It was so 1,000. Please and thank you. Anyways guys, no more rambling. Into the video. Alright, who's going first? Rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah, rock, paper, scissors.
Ready? One.
Wait, I saw you play this.
1, 2, 3, shoot. Damn, he got one. No, out of 3. 1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. 1, 2, 3, shoot. You won.
So you know what if with the next one?
You won. Go ahead.
So I need to go first?
Yeah.
You can choose if you want to go first or
alright, you can choose.
You go first.
As in me for answer first or me for answer first?
You ask me first. Yeah.
I must ask you first. So guys, we have 10 questions here. For the first question, what's my art? So I'm getting my degree, ICSS girl, educated and things. So what is the name of my major and my 2 minors? One in name. One of even the order when we get them. Yes, so give me the major and the 2 minor them. If you listen Orion, you would have know this.
IR.
Okay. Yes. Even 2 minor them. 1 minor and the order when we get them. You don't have to give me the order, just give me them.
Alright.
Yeah.
So you have a minor. What?
Give me the correct name for the something. What the course name? Or what if a business course that's at school then?
Business management. Alright.
Me give you management studies. One more.
No, the same thing.
No, it's different. It's different. More on the name.
Alright, so the second one? The second one, Jesus.
Yeah, apply with management studies and I'm gonna apply.
No, say I have management studies.
And one more map.
Jesus Christ. You don't know that one there?
It's a shame, you don't.
You don't know that one. What is it?
Political science.
We never know that.
So I get that one, yes sir.
We never know that.
Next question for me. My question.
How many leadership positions did I hold in high school?
Really, nigga?
Yes, really.
What you mean, like over the period?
Yeah, from 7th grade all the way up to.
Alright, so I know you were a prefect and you were head boy. But you have like senior prefect and all them foolishness that you talk about. Me don't know. I wouldn't know the positions you have at your school.
You don't have to know them. Just
but I know
tell
that
me if I like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I just want a number. How many leadership positions did I hold in high school?
I know you were head boy and you were a prefect and I don't know. You were something else. So I'm gonna say 3, 2,
Correct.
3. Yes, nigga. Yes, my nigga. This is my nigga. 3. Okay. Next.
So wait, I'm right again. Right. Yep.
So what was the third one? What was the third one?
I would say that you prefect.
Alright, so I'm gonna say it. You did right.
Yeah. So head boy prefect and then the prefect.
Yes.
Alright, you get it.
I don't know this but I'm not people.
Alright,
alright, so what's the name of my favorite female artist?
Female artist? How much you
make it so specific. Cause last time I did say it and you couldn't guess nothing. Guys, we do this already, you know, and I even gave Orin a hint, say me I bring back some of the questions I asked the first time. Cause we do that video already and we never post it. We bring back the same question then. Some.
Like, it's not an artist name I come to me and I don't know why Jayla name in my head, but Jayla's the artist.
She's a YouTuber.
And you say female, so I can't do Giovanni, whatever I want name.
Giovanni?
The youth was sing Peaches with Justin Bieber.
Oh no, sir. Givian. Givian in name.
Givian? Okay. She sing Weak?
No, but she actually did a cover of Weak actually.
Her?
No.
Is that old artist?
No.
Is that an old time artist?
No, I love old time groups, like girl groups and them
but
stuff.
But it's not an old time artist?
No, she's very new and she's under recognized.
No, more than her. I think.
You know, I always listen to her.
I know what we don't know her name. I don't know her name. What's her name?
Alright, move on one side. Give me my question. Give me my question. I ask them question already now. I'm saying already don't listen, then I'm going to give the answer them for the.
Well, man.
You don't listen, sir. This is why I go to old school. Book of pen and paper. No lot of different days.
Name 2 reasons why I'm growing my hair.
Because you like it.
What I want.
And you think you look good with your ear short. Your ears them look too weird. Alright. Nigga.
I go on the hair time.
Oh yes.
You put on the book.
Where was the first place I've worked? No, you get it wrong.
The Vietnamese, I guess.
No, you get one. Alright, make you one more. You get one guess, but make you one more.
The first place you work?
First place I work, I'm getting one number on.
You never tell me that.
You don't listen, sir.
Wait, when you're young?
You're not still young?
Like a child.
The first place I work, or the first place I work, I get one number on. The first place I work. First place I actually work. Get up a morning time every day. I go to work. First place I work.
You never tell me. The old place
we know about.
No, the old place we know about I went. Sorry, you're gonna work with mommy and your help her, she give you $1,000?
So for me a baby and I say yeah. work, I think I go
and
to
work. And we know about Finbiz, Finbiz we kind of recent.
This boy don't listen to me.
No, you don't tell me anymore. You're weak.
Let me get the answer. Bridgeport Post Office. Them dirty dog here.
Yes, fish tail.
Exactly, I tell you this stuff. You don't listen.
I shall not wear that frack.
You're gonna wear it because guess what? I've gotten everything right and you've gotten.
We covered it.
Zip.
Alright, yeah, I can get that one. What is my full pants size, width and length?
What the fuck? What kind of foolishness that is? The guy ain't looking in your pants. Yeah, sure.
Full pants size, width and length. Remember, write the extra more.
Width and length. I don't know how man pants go. Yo, if I didn't know, I'm gonna put my brassiere size pan this. Come and say no, me not be too hard pan him.
You're a A cup.
No, this out of them. Why?
Or a B.
Pants. How man pants go? Somebody help me now. But I don't know how man's pants go.
Wrong. You put the wrong back.
This is 13 and 13 and no 8 and 3/4.
Wrong.
What is it?
32 and 32.
I don't know, but there's something here. Next
Come
one.
again.
We take that one then. What's my favorite ice cream flavor?
Yeah, our favorite ice cream flavor from the ice cream and I eat it.
I love ice cream on a whole, but my favorite flavor. My mother could have tell you that. Yo, it's too many. Look like this squad around here.
And the rubber razor. And a cookie and cream. And the French. A French also?
No. He gon' wear that dress, y'all. He gon' look sexy in that dress.
When do I stop this trap? Let me think.
Look sexy in
We buy it recently?
No. My flavor, them hard to get my favorite flavors or flavor.
Exactly.
Cause me have a flavor. Alright guys, sadly this damn camera turned us into fools. It stopped recording from how long? And guys, gonna miss some niceness. I'm so sorry. But Orion asked, what was the question you had asked?
How many subjects did I do at Distinction College in 2017?
Guys, I almost had it. I named all of the courses them that he would have done. But I said I thought he only did 3, but he did 4. I know the courses them though. Then I had asked, name one thing I like to do except for making wigs, which is obvious. And he said watching TVs, which I do, my TV or my series then. And I said I was going to give him my extra point or extra hint if he was able to guess more than one, because I had a list of them towards the next question. Right? Give my hint towards the next question.
And I said shopping online.
But I didn't have it as a...
But she loved to.
I do, so...
So do I get it?
He said shopping. He didn't say shopping online though. I gave you the online thing.
Come on.
Alright, I'll give him the extra hint to the next question.
Yeah.
Alright, go to the next question. Sorry about that, guys. It happens.
How many subjects did I sit in high school?
So what do you want these subject things to do? Eh? What is wrong with you?
Yes, me do subjects a lot.
You know, bro.
So how much subjects
Alright,
did I
so
do in high
foods,
school?
inti, homemaker. A 5 did you do?
You tell me.
A 5 did you do?
You tell me.
Me I ask you, is that right? 5.
That's your final?
Yes.
Right.
4.
4.
You never do English, don't you?
Yeah, English. You never check, well, you check the hard certificate of 4 subjects.
Oh, but you did it while you were in high school.
I said subject is not a subject.
You did it while in your high school or enough time you counted as a 1.
No, it's not a subject.
No, it might try
We're not try, honestly, we're not trying. It's not a subject.
Yeah, but you do it or you talk, but it's alright, it's alright. It is alright, because you do it while you were in high school. You were physically in high school.
Subjects that you in high school.
But you do it while you were in high school, so we think you were in the school of high learning. You were in there while yes, you know what I'm saying, in the institution of whatever high school they go. They say while you were in high school, you try rap me.
No,
you
not try rap me. It's not a subject.
It's fine. We're still in the lead.
It's a hard.
Heifer, please.
It's a hard
Never
just into
please.
skill.
It's alright. It's alright. Next question. This is an easy question, and it's so simple, guys. Don't laugh at me. But just therefore come up with something kind of, you know. Alright, pen or pencil? What do I prefer?
Pencil.
It's obvious. It's like it's written in pencil. Alright.
How many times you get that right?
Yeah, go on.
How much we got? 2?
Let's see. You got pencil,
Okay.
and you get the favorite thing for those. So you get
so
2.
we tie.
You get 2. I get more than 2.
You get 2.
Only 2?
You get me here, right? And you get
I'm more than 2. I get 3. Yes, I got your I got what do you call it?
You get.
Me get your body where you do at school. Your positions them. Yes. You never do it in an order, that's why.
Yeah, you get.
And then me get with the here.
Yeah.
And me get how much something that you do 4, whatever it was.
I never get that.
No, which one can't say the
2 you
question?
get. Me ask you 5 questions so far. You get name 2 reasons why I grow my hair. What is my full pant size? You get that wrong. How many subjects did I do at Distinction College in 2017?
Me get that.
You get that wrong. How many leadership positions did I hold in high school? You get that right. And how many subjects did I sit in high school? You get that wrong.
And I was so close to everything. Was that right? You were so far off.
So
I
no.
don't know you either way.
Name a country I've always wanted to visit. This is so easy.
No, I don't know. How much country you want to visit already, you know? What country you want to visit, you know? What country? What? Bahamas, US?
That's a banana.
What country you want to visit? Portland? You always talk about Bahamas as a Caribbean country.
You talk about what have I really wanted to visit.
Or you're not unfair because you say you want to go there. You say we not need a visa to go there, so I take up say we do carry from passport and go there.
Yeah, but
no, it's unfair. No.
I always wanted to go.
Or I don't know. You want to go to the US, you want to go to England, you want to
You
go
want
to
me to tell you?
France.
You want me to tell you?
Just start.
None.
None.
I said I always wanted to go.
That's what I'm saying. We don't know that.
None. That is the answer. None.
Jesus, we're gonna slide off the way you confuse me. Hold on there.
Wrong. You put the wrong bang. We still tight. Come.
No, so this don't feel right. I don't feel secure. I'm sweat up movie.
Fling out your one bomb. I remember I forget 2 try on this one. Because I got the last one. That's what you said.
I'll give you a hint or whatever like that. Not necessarily. What is the name of my favorite movie when I was younger?
You did tell me this?
Of course, on top of them something so much and poor you don't listen. Poor you don't listen.
Favorite movie? It popular?
I think so. It was popular at least to me.
Is it a funny movie?
Yes, it is. You know I like foolishness. I love foolishness.
It's a movie, not a TV show.
It's a movie. I love foolishness.
Like one big production.
Yes.
You say it's funny.
Yeah, I love foolishness.
Is that Christmas show?
No. You never get this.
And the one where the man kidnapped the boy and have him like what he was in skin. When they showed me one night.
Joe Dirt? No, I was even thinking about that. I like Joe Dirt, but no, that was not what I was thinking. You're not gonna get this, so you can't stop from now.
But no, can you tell me?
Of course. You talk about this so often. You say me even do want me and you watch it, but you're not listening to me.
I say it's not a Christmas show.
No.
So I know.
You say this is the green type, but that would be more realistic.
No, you say it's not a Christmas show, so I'm not going to say green type. Because you say it's not a Christmas show.
Or you didn't get it wrong. We can move on because we
Alright.
House Bunny.
The backside is House Bunny.
Exactly, you don't listen. House Bunny, I loved me my House Bunny when I was younger. You don't watch that so often. Don't judge me, but I did love House Bunny. That's a series.
No matter, that's why I say it's a full-blown production. Anyways, what was my last job before my present day job?
You were working in a restaurant.
What was my
Cook, chef, prep boy.
All of the above.
Exactly.
Come, bring out the question.
This is like easy. I should if I didn't know, so Orin will come with some bangers because last time Orin the asked, I got everyone right. If I didn't know him that I'll come and behave somebody behave rough, I'm say I'm not too, lick him too hard. I'm just tat him up.
And be sure to ask what you have written down.
If you know, make me know that I'll come with him. You know, smack it.
The one bomb.
Yeah, the one bomb. I say I'll play it easy for him. Come it's alright. This is like easy question. It's so easy. What's my favorite reality show?
Murder First Sight.
Yes, I get you wrong.
No?
Yes. I'm always a talk about Orion. I'm always a talk
So no Murder First Sight to watch last night and
yes,
sleep
I'm
and
love it. But what is my favorite? I'm always a watch him.
We always a watch?
Always a watch
always
it.
a watch cartoon.
No, I say my favorite is a reality show Orion. Reality show.
Yeah, me know it,
You get it wrong already. I always a watch it,
Don't. Me not get it wrong. You say me get two
No,
times.
I said hints. Hint.
But you no hint, no.
You never asked for it.
I want the hint, no.
Yeah,
You want that. You cannot go back on your promise. Me want the hint.
I give you the hint. I always watch it.
That's not a
day
hint.
in and day out.
That's what you always watch.
That's a hint.
What?
I always watch it day in and day out. I always watch it. That's a hint.
Too much of them. Let me see.
No, you don't know. It done. No, you take too long, Orin. You take too long. I'm going to give the hint. You take too long.
Day in and day out is a hint?
Yes.
That's a hint?
Yes.
What? Shadika, if
Let me digit again the name.
Day in and day out? What is that?
You're done. You don't get it wrong.
I know the challenge. I know Married at First Sight. What next foolishness when you always watch Jesus?
You not get it. It is long enough now, Ori.
Alright, go on.
90 days.
Me know.
90 days. Always. I can give you the name. Day. 90 days. day.
That's not a hint.
Yes, I give you the name.
You could have at least say 90.
No, that I don't give you too much. Me said day.
I mean, no one say I always watch them 3-4 literally say, well, challenge and full. I always watch 90 Day and Married at First Sight.
Me can't Married at First Sight, so after 90 Day I have so much way call it spin-offs that I can watch it like every damn day. But Married at First Sight, no, me can't watch it after, man.
Next one, because we can't. This one is easy. What's my favorite snack choice? That's easy.
3 chicks.
You say 3 chicks.
Banana chips.
You say 3 chicks, so say wrong.
I want to say banana chips, but you all eat chicks. You all eat 3 chicks.
Banana chips.
I know that was the first thing. That was the first thing that came to my mind. But I said no. You eat 3 chicks more.
Yeah, I already blabber.
But you eat
3 chicks.
Or you literally bought a pack of cheese when we went to Price Mart. You can't blame me.
3 tricks.
Yes, it's cheese tricks.
Anyways, you're wrong. You said 3 tricks of banana chips.
Alright, it's fine. It's alright.
Come again.
What's the name of what is my father's name?
What name again? We know his name. Nothing, I will say.
You don't say. You don't say.
Clifton.
I give you some easy questions.
Remember because I see a name with Clifton and I never Clifton, but I say Cliff something Wilson.
You see my book?
No, I'm a car. A Baron, I see I did call you.
Hey, damn. Yo, I'm gonna make it hard and I'm gonna ask my father's full name because I know you don't know his middle name.
No, I don't.
Come on, make it
yeah, me catch you up 3 for 3.
No, you're not get the last question yet.
Over also, 3
You're not get the last question then. You're not get it.
But I forget it because I got it right.
You're not, wait a minute. No, you get my father's name, but you're not get the last question. You're my the 10.
Oh.
Keep me not letting it down. You not get it.
What's my favorite food/foods?
You love anything curry. Alright, 4. Come up now.
Mm-hmm.
Almost get 5.
You know that one that did soft, yeah.
Alright, so the last one. Maybe enough soft ones, so enough beef some.
So wait, that 3 I get right? 3 I get right? You get number 1, you get number 4, you get number 7. And you get 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, and 9.
I was close with all of them though. Alright, so I'm not giving you the hint for this one. I'm taking this right out. What? Go now?
Yeah, go ahead.
What was my initial dream car in high school?
Okay, initial dream car.
I had put a hint in it, but me I take it out. Or still tell the hint. It really no matter.
It is an animal.
No?
Is the name of an animal?
No, that was a hint, not Jaguar, so we gave that. So tell me what is it? We gave the hint.
That's not fair, you never tell me that. Yeah,
Of course,
you always tell me say that it's a jag.
Cheese on peas. Or you know, always.
We can't even watch
it. Literally was in the last video.
What?
The last one, the first one we did for this, who knows who best? I literally repeat back this question.
No, but we can't. You see the color video we do. Who know who best couples edition?
No, or I said in high school, my dream car to drive, but no baby. The dream car that I wanted to drive in high school, Michelle always got past the swimming pool and say my damn swimming coach teacher, if him can pack up so I always love it off. That was my dream car in high school. Literally in high school, I fight me see about it every day and dream of it.
Suzuki or Toyota?
No.
What's it?
Wrong. Stop guess now.
One Cherry QQ.
Yeah,
yeah, them have new ones.
Anyway, it's wrong. It was a Mazda Demio. And I always say it and you know it. Exactly, because you know.
Oh yes, mommy you said them not the resale.
Exactly, that's why I change it. Exactly, I always say it. I always say it.
Come on, I forget that one. Right? Yeah, I forget this right. What is my correct shoe size?
Okay, so I know that sometimes you go
in
between.
One shoe size, not in between, no.
You go in between 10 and 11, but at 11 you mostly wear.
What is the correct one?
If you mostly wear the one that's orange, you're too wicked, because you go in between them two sizes, they're too wicked. 11. No orange, you wear size 11.
You want to get
Get it what?
Wrong.
No, Ori. You're weird. You're too wicked. I go between 10 and 11. You know
when we buy shoes online, we buy them.
So, Orient, so almost.
Because Chinese foot small.
No, Orient. No, you too. Me get it right. Because you're wearing either 10 or 11. Me get it right. Exactly. Right. So, guys, I'm gonna get y'all the real.
Let's see, you get 1, 2, 3, 4 you get right. I think I 2.
And you get 1, 2, 3. 3, you get 3 right.
3.
And how much me get right? 4 or 5? I get this right, Corey. Exactly 5. Yeah, Corey. 5. So I got 5. I know my man. I could know him a little bit better, but I know my man. Let's up your comments, guys. Which dress that one, guys? If you didn't watch the previous video, go and watch it. Dress number.
Miss Dress Out. Number 2.
Number 2. The one where all you put up and diss me in a demolish me in it. So guys, gonna give me a little revenge. Thank you so much.
Our grandmother 60s rocking.
And them said I do it coming out right now. Watch
Merkel,
me and him.
Miss
Come.
Merkel white dress.
But if you take off this and game too, all this one take off and game.
No, put on.
Come. Alright, come in.
Ladies and gentlemen.
I'm nervous.
Let's get ready to
Rocky door.
Jesus is Lord!
Ready? Let's see, I look for something about to go. Ready?
Jesus Christ!
Ready?
No, not yet. Look like Simenia.
Don't worry, I'm ready.
You can't look though.
Jesus.
You know, they show up my little figure, you know.
They can't even see. Yeah, sexiness, yeah, baby. Yes, you look nice.
You know, this dress is from Forever 21.
That's and the best for police. They're calling me get something to you.
You know, some look like a very tough little girl. I say.
No, so get some breast. It look how weird. It look how weird.
Look like one of them bodybuilder one there.
Get some titty.
Watch there. Right to back. We're giving a little spin.
Get some titty.
Charlie can stop that.
Alright, yes. Alright, look at the boobies now. No, sir. Alright. No. We cannot have that. Mind someone drop out.
Jesus, please.
The man, come if you do fashion show.
Good toughness.
So guys, he's modeling a Forever 21 forever stay here. No judgment. Wear size. White sheet. Flattering, unflattering dress. So males, don't be shy. It's our new, quality line. Wears it is.
There's something itchy. I want to wear them something here. But the underpants are not on door. Oh, the weird. This don't feel nice. Like just a quiz with me. Maybe this have one no.
Yes. Anyways, guys, as you can see, this is probably a long video, but it was sure worth the wait. My sweetie pie lost because I don't tell him. I know him better.
She win to buy 2 pints.
This is me. I got all of them close. Technically make me lose. Anyways, that's the end of this video, guys. And remember, if you made it to the end, please subscribe, guys. We're on a journey to 1,000. It only happens when you get subscribed.
If we reach 1,000 with that video, I know wicked. You'll never see that again. Look there, never frack phone. Never been seen before.
And it has been stuff. Akila, nothing couldn't go in here, so it wouldn't show or wouldn't keep up. But scandal my things then.
Akila, I will never forgive you.
Anyways, guys, this is the end of the video. Bye. Myself different.